Before we start on this video, here's a word from our sponsor. Do you have problems with your posi drive screws and you're trying to fit a screwdriver in it? These are weird, you can't work them out. Never fear. Now order the new perfectly fitting screwdriver adapter called a posi drive. Only $9.99. Now if you put in the manmechanic.co.uk, you will get approximately a discount of nil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care now. Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's a Man Mechanic here. I'd just like to apologise first of all for lack of videos lately. But we're starting to get back into it now. What we've done is, after the last one, is we've started to put a bit of first top coat on a boot, but it didn't work out well, so I'm going to change the colour in it. It's going to be a slightly darker red, but all the rear panels are virtually done, and all the top deckings and that are done. We have a good second-hand driver's door on the account that the old one was just, it had a massive dent just there, and it had about that much thick of filler, and I thought, really? So I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to get another door for it and bite the expense. But anyway, so all the front of the bonnet now is starting to get together. Got a little bit of the arch to do, that's not too sad. But anyway, so let me take you into the inside, which is virtually finished now. Like I say, we've done the front floor pans, put all the brake pedals and that back in again. Now what we've also done is, over here it was absolutely rotten. There was a massive hole, so we've repaired all that, and there was massive holes just here. Now my welding and that is not the best in the world, and I really, to be honest with you, it's going to be under a seat, so you're not really going to see it. But that's all the back's inside all finished. All the floors have been done, all making it look nice. Now, like I say, the seal bits, the seal finishes have got to be done, but we can do them later on. And then I'm going to put the rear seats back in and all the fixings. Now, coming back to the other bit, excuse me. What we're doing here at the moment is we're replacing the drop links, because this one on this side was absolutely shagged. And what actually happened is in the past they used a blowtorch to get it off and damage the actual vertical link itself. So we've got a new vertical link coming from a well-known firm, but it's on back order. They didn't say that on the, I think it probably did actually, but I can't remember seeing it. So what we've done all the rust panels in here. Like I say, my welding's not particularly brilliant, but that was all complete and utterly rotten. We've got a bit of a couple of little tiny welding holes that need to be done. That needs to be sorted out properly, because that is just shocking, isn't it? Now what we've also done is, on here, this had broken away, and it had broken away from here. So what I'd done is put a welded panel in there to make it nice and strong again, reinforce the inners, welded on the top, welded on the bottom, welded on the other side. So that's lovely, because all this was just pulling apart because it rotten away from there. But that's it really. So what we do now is we're waiting for, see there's a lot of rust here got to sort that out the next couple of days, but I just wanted to get this bit done here first, and then sort it out, because that was in internals, the bit there that all rotten away. The rear spring I was going to take out and revamp, but I can't be bothered to do it because it's quite good. It's going to have new shock absorbers, all new brake lines, all new brake systems, brake shoes, because one of the save cylinder was absolutely peeing out with fluid. And you see it's got a rear new stainless steel rear box on it. And that's really it for this side, really. All new brake pipes. I've got a brake flaring tool, so I'm going to make some brand new brake pipes up. Use the same connectors, and just put new brake pipes on. All new flexible brake pipes. And that's really about it on this side. But like I say, she's coming together now. Oh, Hetty. Like I say, all the rear bits and pieces are okay. The hood's okay. We've got to sort all this out later on, but we can do that. Not so much. That's not going to be too sad to do that. And then the rear boot, there's quite a bit of rust in the rear boot, but we're going to sort that out later on. And the rear bonnet, not rear bonnet, front bonnet, sorry. Like I say, we've got a new D panel for the front. All the actual panels have been repaired now, and all we've got to do now is just really start to assemble it. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like I say, if you want to keep it informed, just subscribe. All right, guys. Take care, yourselves now. Bye.